Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about carrots and I have some tips and ideas for you for when you're using carrots. Try adding some shredded carrots to coleslaw, salads, and even wraps. Why not add some shredded carrots to baked goods like muffins? Why not enjoy some carrot sticks with your favorite hummus as a snack or even part of a meal? Add carrots to juices and smoothies. For the most nutritional value, enjoy your carrots either raw or steamed. How about a simple salad made with shredded carrots, shredded beets, and shredded apple? Here's something a little different. Try spiced carrot sticks. Soak carrot sticks in hot water spiced with cayenne, coriander seeds, and a little salt. Then allow them to cool in that water, and once it's cool, you drain it off and serve your carrot sticks. They will have had a chance to soak up those flavors that way. Now the carotenoids in carrots are fat soluble, so you'll absorb them the best if you eat them with a tiny bit of fat. Now I'm talking a little bit, not a lot. A couple of walnuts is enough. A couple of walnuts in the whole meal is enough fat to absorb the carotenoids from the side dish of carrots. Maybe a little diced avocado or even a sprinkling of sesame seeds would be plenty of fat for adequate absorption. So you don't need to douse them with oil or butter or tahini or whatever. Just a tiny bit is enough to do it. For something really different, add some finely shredded carrots to your next batch of pancakes. Now here's a twist on pumpkin pie. Make carrot pie instead. Substitute cooked, pureed carrots instead of pumpkin and make your pie as usual. Hey, it would be really good that way. Something different. Now for your information, baby carrots, those little tiny ones that we buy in the bags at the grocery store, are actually not a special variety of carrots. They're regular carrots that have been ground down or whittled down to that small size. Okay, so they're not a specific variety of carrot. They're regular carrots that have been ground down to be finger food. Here's another idea. Top some roasted carrots with a blend of yogurt and dates. Sprinkle that with a little bit of sunflower seeds and you're good to go. Well, I do hope these ideas help you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.